Hello, this is Mary Gannon Kaufman from Healthy Rise Nutrition. Maybe you can tell from the background in our little video today that we're getting kind of close to Christmas. But I'm hoping this is really helpful any time of the year. A lot of times at Christmas time we look back over our year and we look at what were the high points, the low points, and what do we want to have next year do. Having healthy goals is really an important part of New Year's resolutions. I title this as the 2 parts to where to start with New Year's resolutions. A lot of times we have a lot of luster at the beginning, and right about now we're all motivated maybe or really gung-ho to start off and do healthy habits for the year. But then we get to February, March, and they kind of wane. Well, why is that? Sometimes it even discourages us from making healthy goals and trying to have healthier habits and having that be part of our New Year's resolutions. A lot of times we haven't found that flash point of motivation. Goals stay in our heads and they don't move down to our heart so that we're really motivated to accomplish them. Let's make this year different. We can take what we learn in this little discussion and apply it to making good, healthy goals through the whole entire year. So the 2 things that I suggest that are missing in a lot of people's reflection at this time of year and at any time they make healthy goals is they don't base them on their values and where they're going in life. Values is just another word to say what's important to you, the why of what you do. So a lot of times we take things from our doctor or from other people as things we should do, and they don't become things we do, be, and have because they're not important enough to us. In the heat of the moment when we have to make a decision between carrot sticks and ranch dip dressing or chocolate fudge cake, in the heat of the moment, if we're not grounded, we go for the chocolate fudge cake. Especially important as we approach the Christmas celebration and the New Year's and beyond. So what's it going to take this year? It's going to look at what do you really find important? What's motivating to you? Base your New Year's resolutions on 2 or 3 things that are important to you, enough that you can make choices around them, to burn through obstacles, to keep pushing. Because when we have habits that we've had for a long time, the temptations are going to come, we're not going to feel like following through with them, and we can cave unless we ground them on our values. So take a look at what are your top 3 values or things important to you, and then make healthy goals based on that. So in January 11th, 12th, and 13th, I'm going to do a 3-day sugar challenge. So a lot of us struggle with overeating sugary foods. We get to through the day, maybe we're good, but by evening we've got that bowl full of ice cream. And we see gradually year to year our weight goes up. So this year, maybe part of your healthy habits are to look at your choice of snack foods, the sugary cravings, and get a handle on that. And that's a huge step in making weight management decisions for the rest of the year. To join us for the 3-day sugar challenge, you go to pages.healthyrisenutrition.com and register for the 3-day challenge. It's free. So we want to base our goals, our New Year's resolutions, on at least 3 things that are important to us so we can push through obstacles. So these are the 2 parts of where to start with making New Year's resolutions. Values and mission are the 2 key words. So thanks very much. For more information on healthy lifestyle, subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out healthyrisenutrition.com. Thanks so very, very much.